Hello folks. In this video, we are going to focus on visual aids and graphs to help you better understand sets and events. Take events A and B, for example. We express the set of values that satisfy each of them as circles. One for A and another one for B. Any element that is part of either set will be represented by a point in the appropriate circle. Since we can have additional events, the more events we have, the more circles we draw. Let's only focus on A and B for now. The two circles can either not touch at all, intersect, or one can completely overlap the other. We are going to explore each of these scenarios in more detail right now. If the two circles never touch, then the two events can never happen simultaneously. Essentially, event A occurring guarantees that event B is not occurring, and vice versa. Continuing with another card example, getting a diamond and getting a heart would be such a situation. If we get a heart, we can't get a diamond. And if we get a diamond, we can't get a heart, since each card has exactly one suit. That's the easiest scenario, and is the one we assumed so far in the course. In this section, though, we will focus on the other two, when they are intersecting, or when one is a subset of the other. Now, if these circles intersect, it means that the two events can occur at the same time. Imagine we draw a card from a standard deck of playing cards. Event A is drawing a diamond, and event B is drawing a queen. The area where they intersect will be represented solely by the queen of diamonds. The remaining area of A will represent all other diamonds, whereas the area of B outside of that will represent all other queens. So, these circles seem quite useful, don't they? Let's explore the last scenario. The third case happens if one circle completely overlaps another. That means that one event can only ever occur if the other one does as well. For instance, event A could be drawing a red card, and event B could be drawing a diamond. The circle of B is completely contained inside A, so we can only ever get a diamond if we get a red card. Notice that if the card we drew is black, it cannot be a diamond. Thus, if event A does not occur, then neither does event B. However, because we can draw a heart, it is possible to get a red card that isn't a diamond. Therefore, event B not occurring does not guarantee event A not occurring. In short, if an outcome is not part of a set, it cannot be part of any of its subsets. However, an outcome not being part of some subset does not exclude it from the entirety of the greater set. Okay, that pretty much summarizes the relationships that the sets of two events can have. Of course, we can have 3, 4, or as many events as we want, and the relationships between each two will always be represented by one of the three ways we just went over. In the next two lectures, we are going to introduce intersections and unions. We will frequently use these definitions going forward. Thanks for watching.